Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is November 30th, and I want to go through a trade here with you that we took on the ES today. By the way, before I do that, I hope you all had a happy, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving as we get back into trading here before we get into the Christmas holiday period. It was a good day here. We took this 17-point ES trade in front of a live day trading audience here in our day trading chat room. And spend just a couple minutes talking to you about that. Now, again, of course, as always, when I show you the video of the trade here, I want you to pay attention to the top of the price ladders. That's where all the information is going to be kept for you. We were down ticks on the ES heading into this trade. We were positive ticks on the CL, down ticks on the ES as we were heading into this trade today. So let's talk about exactly what it is that we were looking at. So you see two charts here. The one on the left, NinjaTrader 8. And the one on the right, Sierra charts, and I really want to focus in on our market maker levels. Now, the market moved down here right at the open. We opened up above this RTH mid, and I got chopped around just a little bit here, attempted to get short down in this area here right before the, and just right after the open on the RTH session. But the idea was solid as we were looking here at this RTH mid that eventually held. So one of the things that we talk about in the trade room as it relates to these levels is if the market cannot make it to the level above, then you're expecting it to come down to the level below. And again, same kind of idea down here. And so today, as the market opened up above this RTH mid and then could not rally into that level above, we began to get really interested in the short opportunity. And again, we got chopped around just a little bit here as I tried to get short at the box, and then it rallied, and I tried to get short again at the box, and then it rallied up a little bit until it finally could not get through that RTH mid. And now I was a bit, probably a bit early here. As you look here, the delta was beginning to try to turn here for us, and so that was my kind of first idea to get short. Popped back up again right into, at the same time, into this RTH mid area, and that's when the market began this process of rolling over, and that's where you'll see our trade pick up here today. So we were looking short. We have what we call a zone of influence around these market maker levels, and that zone of influence today was right here at 24.75. I actually got in at 24.5, and we were holding on for the RTH signal down here at the bottom. So again, I was in at 24.5, and we rode it all the way down here. That was actually, as you see here, that's 17 points right down to that RTH signal. We talked about the fact in the room after the trade was over that the momentum was still in play, and we could have taken that a little bit deeper, but obviously we decided against that, and you'll see that on the trade here. But again, we got in here at the bottom of our zone of influence on our market maker level and wrote it down for a nice clean 17 ES points times 2 lots. And again, our market maker levels here combined with the cumulative delta. And what I would really like to be able to show you here, but I made this video too late in the day, is our heat map and just how favorable the orders were coming in on our heat map. But because it is late in the day, that heat map is reset, and I didn't get an opportunity. I won't have an opportunity to show you that. But what you will be able to see is that we did get in. First of all, what I want you to pay attention to is the top of the price ladders. That's where the P&L is going to be. You'll be able to see that. You'll see that I'm up ticks on the CL, down ticks on the ES as we enter into this 17-point ES trade that goes from our market maker level RTH mid all the way down to that RTH signal. And so again, as always, you'll be able to see exactly where it is that we get into the trade. I'll cut the trade down into pieces, speed it up so you get a flavor for what's happening there, and then you'll be able to see that trade condensed, and then you'll be able to see the exit at the very end of that video. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. 24.75. Stop here is 27.25. I'm in at 24.75.